Are you trying to lose weight? It's difficult to do so. So, I came up with top 5 herbal teas which will change your lifestyle. Hello sunshines, I'm Suhana Dechamma Kalmadanda, your dietitian. Without wasting time, let's get into the topic. Top 1 is chamomile tea. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea which helps in anti-inflammatory properties. A study shown that drinking a cup of chamomile tea daily which helps in anti-inflammatory property. A study shown that drinking a cup of chamomile tea which helps to reduce in inflammation. Chamomile tea which contains a bioactive compound which is a apigenin. A cup of chamomile tea daily which helps to avoid prostate, ovarian, breast cancer. There is a study shown that drinking a cup of chamomile tea which reduces Helicobacter pylori. Yeah, it also helpful for the reduction of cold, fever. Sunshines, do you want to know the top second herbal tea? It's nothing but hibiscus tea. Sunshines, a study shown that drinking a cup of hibiscus tea which is helpful for the anti-inflammatory and antioxidants. It's to kill flu virus. Sunshines, your family members are suffering from blood pressure, tell them to drink a cup of hibiscus tea which will lower their blood pressure. For healthy skin and hair, grab a cup of herbal tea. It's nothing but hibiscus tea. It keeps your body hydrated and looks good outside. Top third herbal tea which is a butterfly blue tea. Sunshines, butterfly blue tea which is rich in antioxidants. This helps to fight against free radicals and as well as oxidative stress. Sunshines, blue tea which is not only helpful for the antioxidant property but also it is helpful for anti-aging property, helps in relaxing, lowers anxiety, calms your mind, decreases dark spots on your skin. The blue color turns into pink color. This is because of addition of honey and as well as lemon drops. Sunshines, if you know why the color changes from blue to pink, let me know in the comment box. Top 4 herbal tea which is a cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea which helps to lower the blood pressure. Drinking a cup of cinnamon tea which helps to lower the cholesterol level, that is LDL. Blood sugar level decreases in type 2 diabetes. Reduces headache. Drinking a cup of cinnamon tea which helps to reduce the inflammation, boost brain function, helps cleanse in both liver and blood. Sunshines, do you want to know top 5th herbal tea? It's nothing but lemongrass tea. Sunshines, lemongrass tea which contains high health benefits such as reduces cholesterol level, reduces obesity, reduces fever, avoids stomach disorder, detoxifying, helps to treat cancer causing cells. Sunshines, based on the recommendation, these herbal teas should be taken, otherwise it may feel discomfort. So drink a cup of herbal tea on a safer side daily. So consult your doctor once before drinking these herbal teas. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and comment to my channel.